All right, I got my tambourine here. Now, when you hear my tambourine, you're going to jump up and explode like a firework, okay? So, again, whenever you hear my tambourine, you're going to explode just like a firework would, okay? Here we go. You got to listen carefully, though. Yes, you got to explode just like that. Here, listen again. Ready? Yeah, make sure you explode. So you want to get really big, and it's got to be quick. It's got to be a real fast movement. Ready? Good. There you go. All right. Did you explode? Yeah, good. All right. They might be at different times now. I'm not going to tell you when when they're going to happen. Yeah, make sure you keep exploding. Every time you hear my tambourine, you got to explode. One more. Good.